Hi there, I'm Cher Johnston. Welcome to my happy place. Today I want to share some books with you. This is the first book that I bought from this lady, and I'm sorry, but I can't pronounce her last name. It's Italian. She's Italian. I'm going to leave a link to her website in the description below. This is the first book that I bought from her. I'm going to try to kind of do a flip through. But I have to stop at some of the beautiful pages, right? It's another beautiful page. Just show you what's in here. It's all in Italian and in English. And there's such beautiful photos all throughout. I was going to do a flip through, right? So pretty. Now, each one of these has, I put paper over it because that's like the recipe. That's like the, she has the colors that she used in each one. And I don't have permission from her to share these because I don't know if I don't know. Anyways, but I figured I could show the pictures, right? And not show, oh my gosh, how beautiful is that? And this is, it's all very 3D. You can see how dimensional that embroidery is. This is the one that I just did on my, well, I did something similar on my pocket treasure the other day. And I think now this gets into, yeah, how she does stuff and all the patterns. So I don't want to show you the rest of that, but you get the idea. This is another book that I bought from her. And I've done Christmas time. I did some of these flowers from this book. And again, there's some really beautiful photographs in here. Oh my gosh. I think I bookmarked a couple that I feel like I can share with you without much trouble. Oh my gosh. Look, just look. Look, 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 look. Also, again, at the bottom of this page, there are recipes, all the threads that she uses in each one of these. And she goes through the entire alphabet. Oh my gosh. How gorgeous is that? That's not DMC floss. Those are, and then there's patterns in the back and how-tos and all that, which I'm not going to show you. This is one that I think this might be the second one that I bought. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. This one I don't want to, it's not a very large book, and she just gets right into how to make those. And so pretty. Again, there are it's not going to focus. There are patterns in the back. Ho ho ho. And there are, look at that. Anyway, also if you go to her website, I bought this ebook. And it's a Christmas one, and I did something similar to this in my Christmas book. The other thing that she has on her website, which I know I can share with you because it's on her website, this is, she has like, I wanted to show you on my iPad, but it's not loading up very quickly. She has more, like somebody else used these colors to do one of her alphabets. These are Loretta's colors. And so I printed this off and I got all those colors, and I put them together because I love the combination, right? So I want to use those for something. There's a different one, and I don't remember. This one is Gianni's or something like that. I use this for my Christmas one. If you go to her website, you'll see one that looks, I think it looks kind of Christmassy, but I love pink and green, so that's, here's my Christmas thing that I did. I have this video on my channel, and there's the back, which is also from one of her books. And then this, I did pull these out to show to you. To see for Christmas, or for Cher, or Cherish, or, whatever. Anyway, I'll leave a link in the description to her website where you can go. You can't buy books there on her website, but she shows places where you can buy them. And I think I'll leave a link also to the place that I went where I bought her books. So anyways, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.